How to identify a strong trend in Forex. Welcome to the channel. I am Nexus, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to identify a strong trend in Forex. Let's get started. So right now, I'm showing you the Euro JPY, and I'm using the MT4 platform this time. I'm not using TradingView, and that's because I want to show you this special tool, but I'll talk about this tool at the end. But first of all, let me just explain, how do you actually identify a strong trend? Well, you can actually just do it with your eyes. So for example, I'm currently on the monthly chart, and if I just look at price action, so ignore all the colors and ignore the volume data here. If I just follow price action, I can see the price is going from bottom left of the screen to top right. That's a strong bullish action. And I could just go down the time frames. So manually, I could then go to the weekly. Okay, so again, is price going from bottom left to top right? Yes, it is. I go to the daily, and it's the same thing. And you can repeat this process across multiple time frames. The best trends are the ones where you have alignment across the time frame. So you want it across all the higher time frames. So you'll say from 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, higher time frames. You could exclude the 1 hour there, but 1 hour is kind of in between. And then also on the lower time frames. Now, if all those time frames are aligned, that is a very, very strong trend. So let me show you how I do this. So I use a special tool called Trade Guider. And if you want more information about Trade Guider or you want to get access to it, just leave a comment. I may be able to provide a discount to the tool, but this will be on the MT4 platform. Now, this tool, all I have to do is click on the button right here and select Scan. So you can scan as many symbols, instruments as you like. And this is not an advanced version of the tool. This would allow you to insert any instrument that you want and scan any instruments. But there is a advanced version that will automatically scan multiple instruments for you. So here I just select Euro JPY, and as you can see, I get an instant display across all the time frames, and it tells me exactly what the trend is. So if it's green, it's bullish. If it's red, it's bearish. And as you can see, across every single time frame, it's green. You are not going to get a stronger trend than that. Every single time frame, the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, all green at this specific time. So what does that actually mean for you as a trader? Well, you've heard the common saying, trade with the trend, right? So all you need to do is identify an opportunity to jump on that trend. So you wait, you don't chase price, you just wait for price to come back to you, and then you can find an entry. You can use whatever entry method you have. So you could be using order blocks, fair value gaps, but you wait for price to come back to you, and then you can then enter the trade. But this is how easy it is to identify a very strong trend. You can, of course, use MA crosses. So for example, you can use the 9 EMA and the 18 EMA, and you can plot that on your chart and just go down across the time frames. If the 9 is above the 18, that's bullish. If the 9 is below the 18, that, of course, is bearish. So there's a number of ways you can use to identify a strong trend. The easiest way for me is using this tool. I can just run the scanner and it can just tell me across multiple time frames what is the trend. So I hope this was useful and helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.